Welcome to part 3 of the series of 3 videos covering the topic how to construct a triangle given the base, the altitude, and the vertical angle. In the previous 2 videos, we started the construction, and in today's video, we'll be finishing the entire construction, putting on the dimensions and labeling up the drawing as shown on the screen. We'll be starting the video now. I'm going to make the drawing a little bit smaller. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put on the dimensions on the drawing and the different labels. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put on the length of the line AB. So here to there, that was 90. Now I want to make the 90 millimeters a little bit bigger. So I'm going to type D for the shortcut for dim style. I'm going to click modify. Then I'm going to make sure that you're under the fit tab. Then I'm going to change 1 to 2. I'm going to press OK. I'm going to press close. And there the 90 is bigger. All right. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to label the height. Now, just like the bisector, this horizontal line, it needs to go a little bit beyond the arc, all right? So I'm going to turn on ortho. So I'm going to extend it. Yes. Going to do the same thing on this side. Good. All right. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to indicate the altitude. All right. All right. So we'll go again. So we're going to go here. Going to turn on snap. So here to there, that will be 50. And we're going to repeat the process again from here to there. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the 50 and I'm going to write the word altitude. All right, so that's the altitude. We're going to label the base angle, not the base angle, the vertical angle. So we're going to come here, angle, this line. We're going to turn off ortho and we're going to turn off snap. So I'm going to click this line. All right, there it is. 60. All right, so that was a given altitude. Now we need to label right here, which is the vertical angle. This was the construction, right? So we're gonna click this, click that, see that 60. Right, so that's a vertical angle right there. And we can label it if we want. So we're gonna come here and click. Gonna turn off object snap. I'm gonna click right here. Click right here. I'm gonna label vertical angle. All right. So we have labeled the altitude, the vertical angle, and right, based on how the drawing is, we want to indicate the 90 degree here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna extend this line AC going that way, all right? So I'm going to type the word extend. So this is just to label the drawing. So I'm going to extend this, good. All right. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to indicate that this is a right angle right here, which was this line, this line. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to offset this line. So the distance, I'm going to offset it 4 millimeters. Enter. So I'm going to click this. That's 4. I'm going to select this. All right, that's 4. What I'm going to do, I'm going to trim this now, right? So I'm going to go trim, enter, and I'm going to delete the rest of the line. All right, so we delete. All right, so this 90-degree, I can trim this also. So I'm going to trim right here, enter. I'm going to click this, delete. So what we're going to, next thing we're going to do is label the drawing now, right? So we're going to go text, multi-line text, and we're going to select right here. The height of the letter is 4 millimeters. So we're going to type to construct a triangle given the base, comma, altitude, and vertical angle V. All right. So this is our base, this is our vertical angle, and this is our altitude. All right, this 90-degree, we need to make it a little bit bigger. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to offset it. So I'm going to enter. I'm going to offset this 4. I'm going to offset this 4. Enter. I'm going to delete this original one, right? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to fillet, and I click this object and click that object, and there it is. Good. So I indicate the 90 degrees right here. All right. So in today's video, we looked at the construction of a triangle given the base, the altitude, and the vertical angle V. In the next video, we'll be looking at the construction of an involute to a pentagon. And we constructed the pentagon in the previous video, so perhaps you could visit that video so that when I post the next video of how to construct the involute to the pentagon, you'll be familiar with the construction of the pentagon. To finish out, I'm going to move this A so it looks neat. I'm going to put it right there. Good. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to indicate the vertical angle right here. So what I'm going to go arc, center, start, end. Going to need to turn on object snap. And right here, I'm going to turn on ortho. I'm going to turn on snap. And from here, I'm going to turn off ortho. I'm going to turn off snap. Enter. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go up to the hatch. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go solid. I'm going to click right there. All right, so this is the vertical angle, so I can label it. So I'm going to go Gonna turn off ortho. Click there, put it here. Then I'm going to write vertical angle. All right, and this brings us to the end of the video, right? So this is the completed drawing, okay? We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we constructed a triangle given the base, the altitude, and vertical angle. In the next video, we'll be drawing an involute to a pentagon, and we started the pentagon in a previous video, so we'll be using that pentagon construction to draw the involute to the pentagon. We're looking forward to seeing you in that video. Please take care until then. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.